How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a Kegel workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be the side climb. This is probably one of my favorite exercises to do for Kegels. We'll do 10 reps, we'll do 10 sets. Let's get started. So again, great exercise. All you have to do is get into this position and do your reps. 10, just like that. So again, it's not super difficult, but at the same time, it's very, very effective. This is my third video of the day, so it's coming along pretty good. By the end of the video, I should be at about, when the video is uploaded, it should be at about 9:30. I started at 8:30, so 3 vids in about an hour. That's kind of pretty standard for my video making. And yeah, probably do this till about 11:30. I did not get up until 8 o'clock today, which is pretty late for me, so I did sleep in quite a bit. Generally, I'm up at about 6:37 on the weekends, so it's still fine. It's still a decent time. It's not like I slept in till like 9:30 or 10. So I am increasing my calories too from 2,300 to 2,500. So that will give me a little bit of a boost, give me some extra calories for the day, which is really nice to have. I feel like I have been maybe starving myself just a little bit on this cut. So it makes up for it. I will be having, I had one boost drink when I first got up. That was at 8 o'clock. Probably have another one at about 11, a couple hours, another 360 calories, and then at about 2 o'clock, have two peanut butter and jam sandwiches. About 5 o'clock, have a can of chickpeas. And at 8 o'clock, have 2 pizza pops. That'll put me at exactly 2,500 calories. And that actually allows for a decent day of eating. I won't be starving myself, and I'll feel probably pretty satisfied, which is good. Again, it's fun to lose weight, but at the same time, you don't want to be starving yourself. You want to do it nice and slow. And yeah. We'll do another 10. 1, 2. Okay. But yeah, 2 pretty easy videos after this, and then that'll put me at 5 vids for the day, and then I probably got another 6 to do, and then I'll take a break. It's very tough to do these videos in the afternoon. I don't know why, but doing them in the afternoon or evening, it's a little bit difficult just because you're doing them in the morning already. So to have 2 sessions, a little bit difficult. But hey, we'll get her. We'll get it. Let's do another 10. And so, 1, 2. Booyah. Almost halfway done. Almost. I'd like to do my taxes soon, but again, this video is being made in February 22nd. Again, uploaded July 20th, I think. So if you guys are wondering, why the heck is he talking about his taxes? Because today's actually February 22nd. So I am still waiting for 1 piece of info, or maybe 2 pieces, so I can't do it yet, which really sucks. But what sucks more is I'm in an absolute crap ton. So not really looking forward to that. My only hope is that maybe it's not as much as I think it is, and maybe I'll get a little bit of a break, but I don't know. So 1, But yeah, videos are coming along nicely. First, almost hour of videos has went by fairly quick. I don't know how motivated I am today for making videos, but we will see. Let's do another 10. I actually haven't been on Reddit as much lately, believe it or not. I haven't been on my finance forum. I haven't been talking to anyone. I've just been doing my own thing. Just been chilling, doing my own thing. Really haven't been on the internet that much, to be honest. Which kind of makes me wonder if I actually do want to stay at home when when my job is up. Do I want to just do YouTube full time, or do I want to do another job? Just being at home, like, I don't know, it might be kind of boring, to be honest. My biggest thing is allowing my investments to slowly increase over time. So if YouTube allows me to do that just by itself, I will do that. But having another job is easily another 50 to 60,000 a year. So it makes you wonder, like, ooh, like if YouTube does do that, like if I do YouTube full time, well, by not doing a job, then that's an extra 50 or 60 grand you're losing per year. In a year, in 10 years, that's almost that is $500,000. So that's a lot of money. I don't know. Let's do another 10. Oh yeah. But yeah, I don't know how today's gonna go with the 18 videos. I don't know. We will see. Yesterday I got 15, which it's not too bad, but again, goal was to hit 18. But again, that is okay. All I need is 3 videos per day. If I can get 3 videos per day, I still am getting ahead. So even if I make 15 videos, that's still a lot of videos. We'll do another 10, and then that is the end. 1, 2. Oh yeah, that's 10. Just like that. So again, this is my favorite. I would say this or leg openings are my favorite Kegel exercise to do. 10 reps, 10 sets, that is quite a bit of volume, but I'm a big believer in volume for building that muscle. And again, a Kegel muscle, it's just a muscle. So that's what we're doing when we're doing the Kegel workouts. We're trying to develop that muscle. We're trying to make that muscle tighter. Really make sure you're feeling it in the muscle. If you're not feeling it, you're just going through the movements, you're not going to develop your Kegel muscle. So really make sure you are feeling it. Anyways, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.